This video we'll be discussing how to move the image on the media in the mColor software. So I'm going to go ahead and put a job into the system here, and then we'll adjust this job based on where I want it to print on the media. So first thing I'm going to do is select the job. I'm going to right click on the job and I'm going to edit the job's workflow. Go to my direct output, and I've got a couple output options here as far as my offsets. One way to do it is to grab a ruler and measure where you want it to go if it's not in the right position, and you can either use inches or millimeters, and type in the amount you want, both horizontal and vertical, and that will get you where you want to be as well. The other way you can do it is what we call our position tool. If you use the position tool here, you select it and this window pops up, and first thing we're going to do is hit Pit Position Test. It's going to go ahead and send a file to the printer to be printed, and when it prints out it looks like this. And then what you do is you look at the scale A and scale B and say, where do those tick marks hit the scale, hit the edge of the sheet? So the first we see scale A is right at 5, and scale B is at 0, and you hit OK, and it puts in that number for you right there. Now in our estimation, the best way to run this system like this is to make this change on the workflow itself, not on a job-by-job basis. Otherwise, you'll be doing this to every single job. You should do it to the workflow and then print as many jobs as you can without moving the paper. If you keep this in the workflow and don't move the paper, the stock, then you will be in the right position until you've moved those guys and moved that paper. This is the position adjustment tool in the mColor software.